Dude, you're crazy. What? Yo, where are you?
I don't think it's this way. Take a selfie. Do you have your phone or just a GoPro?
I don't have my phone.
Look at this little clip.
You wanna go over there?
Take a selfie with the water.
Like, yeah, right there's good. Yeah.
Do you want to do it again?
No, this is great. Look, there's whales. No, I'm just kidding. Will you marry me? Sorry. Thanks for framing it up with me. Super cool. Now look there.
Oh. I thought you were mad at me this whole day.
Acknowledging this is a sick day. Big swell, perfectly pointed, dive buoy, the lady.
Watch. They put something in and they like fried it.
Yeah, but he wasn't trying to save the show.
Yeah. Yeah, I think kind of a big, wide opening like that.
Yeah, there it is, right
Ooh.
there.
Yeah.
And so you want to eat that instead of chicken? Okay.
That's like the first good look.
Well, they're out. I think you should kill it. They're really tender. Is that good?
Yeah, it's really good.
What does it taste like?
It just
does.
it tastes good. Try it. You haven't tried it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Yeah.
You want to rinse this, but look all that done. Isn't that the, I'm not going to say what that is.
I be pooping sometimes, you know? On myself.
But like, I've seen them when they crack it
yeah.
and they'll rinse it in the water real quick, they swipe all that away, and then they peel the orange pieces off because those stick to the shell.
Everybody on YouTube knows.
Eat it. Oh, that's good.
Are you recording? Maybe I'm a stupid Hallie and I don't know what I'm doing, but this looks pretty good.
That's it. That's what to eat right there.
You're good?
Yeah, you can eat it? What does it taste like?
Tastes like
Is it salty?
essentially.
For sure. Ready?
Rolling.
Don't miss it this time.
I won't.